Hello and welcome everyone, ARP 24/7. This is your host Sejal Pandey. So the preparation of 11th Global Literary Festival is going on, and here we have the campus director and Professor Dr. Himani Chaudhary ma'am. We welcome you ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So ma'am, my first question is, how do you see the literature?
Well, literature has been a very important and an integral part of our learning, of our student life, and it continues to stay so because literature is an overall, it's a feeling that continues. It's a learning, and also it's a way of living, if I may say so, because there are various aspects of learning, reading, writing, and expression that comes along with literature. Whether you are a school student, whether you are a college student, you are a professional, or you are yourself in the domain of academics, literature is as important as the course itself. So whether it's the print media, whether it's reading a book, whether it's writing a research paper, whether it's talking about a journal, or expressing through any any form of literature, I think it gives you the dreams, it gives you freedom to explore and express yourself, and that is why literature is a very, very essential and an important component of everybody's learning.
So ma'am, how our fashion and design students are contributing to this literary fest?
So we have a course called Fashion Communication, which and the students have a very important component of developing their books and their fashion journals from communication through pictures, from communication through the art of storytelling and the narrative that they build around the projects that we give them. Along with that, the fashion design students are going to present a spectacular show of garments and again the narrative through their garments. So whether it's the literature fest or learning through literature, it is going to be showcased in their fashion shows, in their collections, and we also have some book launches that are going to happen during the literary fest.
Okay. And what do you think that how this fest will beneficial for students?
See, as I already mentioned, that all of us understand the benefits of the literature and the benefits of whether they are the writing skills, whether they are the reading skills. So during this fest, multitude of events that we are going to showcase across 3 days in 3 sessions, so 9 sessions. There are going to be writing skills, a seminar, a symposium on reading. There are going to be book reading sessions as we have in the literature, festivals across the globe. We are actually far better and far ahead in that term because we are going to have people, there are going to be poetry sessions. So all aspects of literature and learning are going to be presented to students, and they are going to be actively participating in those events. And we are going to have sessions around fictional reading, non-fiction, what are the components of good writing, what are the components of presentation. So those are the things that they are going to learn hands-on. As we always say across all our festivals, they are going to have a hands-on learning during the literary fest and their exploration and expression.
Okay ma'am. So any message you want to deliver to students?
Be there, be present wholeheartedly, present yourself. Learn from the best, because we are going to have a lot of guests and experts and people from the media and literary world who are going to be sharing the dais and going to share their experience and learning with the students. And every fest is actually curated around the thought that students are going to learn from it, and students are going to get that wonderful global exposure. So, I think the only message that I want to share with the students is be present, explore, and learn what is being showcased and learn from the best. Thank you.